Maybe they give you a list like this to make you find the third youngest person. The third youngest person, because the bicycle they bring come for the person when be the youngest. When be in name when in name na Bomber Stewart. Bomber Stewart in too young, even if you ride the bicycle. Because maybe they find the third youngest person for that gathering. So that one at least you don't mature enough to carry bicycle. So how we want to determine this thing now? We'll get one formula they call the small function. You say equal to small, open parenthesis, the array when they ask you now, and the range of cells we carry number of people age when you want consider. Kind of like this. The k for that place now simply the position which may defined, which is in a third youngest. So just put 3 for there, you go understand. If you enter now, you also say will give you answer. Age is 16, maybe the third youngest age for this list.